Hello, good day everyone. Good afternoon. It's me, your friend, your sister, Mommy Juliet TV. So, how na day? How's everything? Since 1 week, I know if it come out because I was so busy. So I'm here with another nice topic, with beautiful topic. You understand? So today topic now question I want to ask you. Now understand, I'm going to ask everybody question. My favorite, my subscriber, my new subscriber, my old subscriber. I love you all, my returnees. I love you all. God bless you all for supporting me. God bless you all for everything. Without you people, there will be no Mommy Julia TV. I love you all. Thank you very much. God is going to be blessing you with that hand you are using to be supporting me. God is going to be blessing you. Please help me to share to your friends, to your loved one. We don't insult anybody here in my channel. We talk, we give advice. You understand? I use my own experience to give advice. So if you have anything, you can inbox me. I will help you to bring it out. Okay, we are here to support. Nobody is perfect. Okay, today topic now say e good make person go dey stay with man without say you never marry. Na question. My own my own suggestion is that is not good. E not good. Make woman or man go stay with a partner when you never marry. E not good. For Bible, e not good. You understand? For eyes of God is not good. And for our own interest, e not still good. Why I talk am, I go use my own make example. Because when I know say this my channel and they use until they always they use myself till they make example. So that people go learn. If you want make that type of mistake, not do one. The time when I know my husband, so he say, oh yeah, now I call to stay with her. You know, say come dey stay with me. Why you dey stay your own when we like each other? Come dey stay with me now. You know this. And for my own condition, that one another topic. I no want mix am together. The condition when I did that time when I come fit dey join her for house. You understand? For me because I be your talk am down. Say if you not put money for my head for my house, I know they come. You understand? Not be say I carry belle, that make me come. Oh no, not be belle. Make me come stay with her. Another thing. So I will bring that topic another day. Una dey wait for me. Time don't dey now. You know, I sit tell una say I be business woman. I make online business because we are so busy. And I make me, sometimes I don't get time. Suppose my they do 2 times in a week. They shoot out. But time not too much day. You understand? So I'm a mother too. We have a lot of things to do. When I not worry, I'll they bring her. Now original they bring here. So as I can't stay with her, as I they talk, they go. As I can't come, I can't say okay, oh, my come. As I come stay with her. Everything make your mind, everything they sweet. Everything pepper. Everything is stew. Come they happy they go. Come they happy they go. No be say we quarrel. You know why they talk am. So na person wey they beg me for the time when I did my own say he want marry me. They beg me. And na so he want start to dey do one. Na. He want marry me. That's okay. When you do one. As the thing not come be like say it not come dey possible for when I dey outside. So they can say my come inside before I fit do the process of the marriage. That make me pack come give her. Besides I no hard down. I go hard small. More than they understand what I dey talk. That make me pack come. I can't stay here. As I can't stay now, so we can't wait for the process of the marriage. Small thing, if you all do small thing, you go say you know they do again. You know, now husband and wife now, you must get that your crash. You go say no, they do again. Me don't tell you. You know, go do again. No. You know, they do again, no, they do again. Hey. I don't born put oh. I dey tell una, I don't born put. As you don't stay na wetin you want enter? Person say we want marry you. Pikin start to dey enter. I don't born put. Any small thing go say, you get what you see for your body. You're not sure say that this type of woman. Hey, as you see, oh, and you got the talk this way, you say, we'll still do the paper, we'll still do one. We'll say no, they do. I say you know they do, you go say you know they do. Another one, I come about the second one. Oh yeah now. Say no, they do not be one day. Now I tell her, say, we do or you not do. Me don't tire. As a Christian, I not suppose my day with man say I not born, I not marry. And for my papa they tell me say you must marry before you enter my house. Which can't it be this one? Not be so I take plan my own. I know they agree again. Whether you do or not do, not today we'll talk. You understand? Now so you can't go, you can't say the tea not too serious because you must put your leg down before the tea can happen. The marriage. Why they talk this thing? I tell them as if I they talk, I'm going to use myself till they make example. Many people they don't born 4, they don't born 5. The man never see married. He go say, hey, you be my wife. No problem. Everybody know now. You're dead there. Waiting man, they wait. Say woman, go down born 2, 3, 4, 5. Waiting you they wait for. When you not go marry her. Now when he die, you will go marry her. He get one man way day here. The woman born 3 for her. We don't know say no marry her. The woman die finish, now go put money for dead body head. If una dey here now, they wash me. Might tell una another secret way we don't know who we dey Europe. If you dey with man, you born for her. You understand? Now there for many years. May God not let us die or terminate or I don't know as soon as they talk or death. Man, I can't speak English, we go cut my mouth. You understand? May God not let us get out. In Jesus' name, we'll go last. You understand? And enjoy our great grandchildren. If that happen, that man must go marry dead body. You marry person where they life, or you marry dead body. Which one better pass? Because he don't born for you. Mona call na mama, mona call na papa, mona ask this question when I talk. If that woman don't born for you and he dey with you, or that man don't born, no woman not feel, you know they concern woman and man they talk to now. If that woman don't born for you, he dey with you, something can happen. May God not let anything happen. You must marry her. You go put ring dead body hand. You they see dead body till you die. Covenant with dead body now you can't do. You go marry her. Yes, I do. Because if family not let you bury her, without it, you not marry her. You don't feel go meet the family, say your pikin don't die. They'll say, why? You have to make you go back again. Can't tell they say you want marry. That's it. It happen for you. The man do her when he married dead body. You see, happen to person when I say no. For Benin law, for Igbo law, that's what you see be. I don't know Isha. What I know for that 2 things, that's what it be. You understand? So if you not there with woman, Mona try, don't born 1, don't born 2, Mona go marry her. Mona go marry her. What you not they wait for? What you want to see? What you never see? Go marry her. Marry her. If they say they not they agree for Nigeria, marry her for you. If a family, you know, say Nigeria people see they do resist, which is very bad. You go say, call for Isha. Why you go marry her? You call for Igbo. Why you go marry her? You call for this. Why you go marry her? Where did they breed that one? Now where your luck, then now you go marry. They also Igbo they do resist. Now we Nigeria now do resist best. If they not agree, marry her for court here, marry her for church here. You understand? Marry her. The day where they can't agree, you not go put money for your head. You understand? Because God go they look una. Even they, because what una they do every day now sin. Now they commit sin every day. You say they go church, you only, but you with your husband they fornicate every day because una not be married person. Una not marry. Una your day they just they fornicate to yourself. Suppose no una marry. Una understand? Now this thing, this question I come, my come ask people. I don't say na force who like me do, who not like me not do. You understand me? So I your come, my come ask tell una. Una no fit they behave like Oyibo. Or una no come say because of Europe now say that they pay single mother money. You understand? So you know what? If you marry now, no, that single mother money. I need that. If you not fit do one, yeah, you need single mother money. Go house, go do one. Don't know say you don't do one. You understand? Yeah, the thing say you never marry, but for us, you don't want to say all these Oviabe people. That's all the thing they do in Morocco. They'll go their country, they'll do and finish, they'll come here, they'll not bring them. For that, they read here, they know they read. You understand? For now, one they eat single mother money. But you get where you go eat and rich. So more na do one. So that make God bless the way they follow marriage, go they follow una. So that God go they bless una, they go. Mona not stay with man, say he never no. If you see say your condition good, not go. Not be say you need that thing, or not be say you carry belly. Not go carry belly before you go meet man. Now Europe we dey now. My own not be say na belly I carry I can't go. Now not that thing make me go. Now you now marry. Now not that thing make me go because I need them. My if stay here. That make me go there. Otherwise you for do one. Because if they tell me say one do one for where they stay, and they can't tell me say I must stay with them before they'll fit do the thing. That make me come. That's what the pikin call they come. You understand? That type of mistake, many women they do, and many women they do this thing. So more na try. If you say one, oh yeah, do one. No go there. Some people are you imagine go you're born 5. Man never put money for your head. You never marry her. Go you're dead there. You go they call her my husband. For God, I not be your husband. Another woman feel your corner, you go your take her, you go marry her. Now that one be your husband. God go bless her. If you don't say the curse, you go your oh yeah, put cloth the night the curse. No, they reach that woman body. So nobody be saying God not go put him for that one. Lie. Wait till God know. The one way God know, now the one way that two of them do, they're not fornicate. That God know. Now understand? Now this one I say my your can't tell now. You understand? Another one they come, another big topic when they bring come. This one where they come, one they wait for them. Wanna watch this video to the end and pick little thing. Pick up. Now truth I they talk, not be lie. I know they look person here before I give my message. And they give my message where God say I might take give them. I know they shame if I they use myself to they do example. Nobody they feed each other. But learn for the mistake. Now make una dey see so you go say 5 years be and I don't born 5 for this man, not go see my family. You go call even the insult you don't see you finish now. What do you want to see again we never see? You understand? Now be the thing. And those men who not they do one, when the woman may God not let the woman anything happen to the woman, you must marry that body, you like it or not. You must put in for him. Call your father, call your mother, ask them. They will tell you this thing. Maybe una don't know. Some people don't know. Mona ask them. It happened to person when near me, now make me know. Benin and Igbo, I know say they do one. If you marry their people, something happen. May God not let something happen to the woman. You must marry them, but you wear a white. You go tell them say you first do marriage, later you go do burial. So they happen. Why nejuwa? Mona go ask. Okay. Another topic they come. Another one is like I would like to tell people if you come Europe, what you first do so that you get stay there, you fit get your documents. So I will come bring that one. Mona not worry. I will they bring everything we go fit help us. I will they bring and come out. Wait till I pass through before I get my document. I will see tell una. Una here. God bless you now. Stay blessed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Put your comments. Don't insult anybody. I'm not insulting anybody. Please don't insult me. And don't insult anybody that write any comment there. God bless you all. I love you all. Stay blessed. Bye.